What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can disable notifications from KuCoin or how to turn off KuCoin notifications. So first off, once you open up your KuCoin app, you will be on your homepage right here. So from your homepage you go over to the notification section in the upper right corner. Now after that, go over to the settings icon again in the upper right corner. And here you have your notification settings. So currently I have it to enabled, so to disable it, just go ahead and click on enabled. And here it will automatically redirect you to the account managing center of your phone. So here just go over to the notification section right here and just simply tick off the notification slider, just like this. And that will disable your KuCoin notifications. So that's guys how you can disable or turn off notifications from KuCoin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.